Be sure to check out some of our other tiny house videos from the Jamaica Cottage Shop in Vermont and from Craft and Sprout Tiny Homes, tiny house builders located in Connecticut. What's up, guys? Deek, OddUSA and RelaxShacks.com. As you know, aside from tiny houses, tree houses, all that, I've authored a couple books, new one coming out, in fact, very soon, October 30th, 2018, Micro Living. Aside from that, I do a lot of weird artwork using, mainly, and this is the cohesive theme, recycled and found materials, reused materials. My buddy Alex Eves, we did a box truck together. We built and furnished one out to be a mobile dwelling on wheels, a educational classroom on the road. He is touring right now. StayVocal.com, check that out. One of the things he will be selling, and I'm working on these in my studio before I move out of here, I'm very talkative today, are these baseball card art pieces. Because baseball cards, let's face it, most of them are worth nothing at this point in time. It's a little bit heartbreaking because I still love them, but they're just worth nothing. So some of the penny or less than cards, what do you do with them? So we thought, in the spirit of reuse, why not do some artwork on them? Not even the fronts, but the backs, because they seem to take paint and ink more easily. But these will be shipped to Alex soon and on the road as he tours. So if you visit him, you can pick up one of these, actually one of these exact actual ones for I think like $5 or $6 each. So these are cool. They're done with, or I think they're cool. I had fun making them. Let's not assume they're cool. These here, in a baseball sheet, but of course I might put some of them in the top loader hard sleeves. But these here are baseball cards of various years. You can see in the back, where are we here, 1978, some more recent Donruss, mid-70s, 1980. But these here are these little micro art pieces. Because let's face it, when you buy art, some of it takes up too much space. You want a little souvenir from visiting some event, and one that kind of preaches a reuse message. I figured this might be a cool idea. So check these out and find Alex on the road, or if you want some done custom, I'll do some for you gladly. They are, I think, $5 or $6 each. Paint, marker, reused baseball cards. All right, maybe it gives you some ideas. I know at the risk, it's probably been done before. I haven't seen these. But, you know, with the internet, like, oh, I'll steal that idea 1,000 times. Go for it. I don't care. Reuse this stuff. Put it to use. That's the point of these videos. For you guys to take these videos, these ideas, excuse me, and run with them. So just a simple idea for you guys. I particularly like this guy here, as simple as it is. A whale, you turn that one sideways. It's kind of tough to write on some of the paint, so I'm trying to figure out ways to do it better. The surprised robot. Gotta keep it simple because the markers I have on hand are pretty bold and thick, so there's only so much you can do detail-wise. Kind of scuba looking dude. This guy looks like he's straight out of a Tim Burton movie. I should have put some cemetery headstones in the background. This guy right here, and I'm working on more. This would also be a great, activity with reuse in mind, recycling with Cub Scouts, with young kids, art teachers, things like that. I might actually pass this on to the very fabulous art teacher in the Stoughton, Mass. school system, Carolyn Parenti. So here you go, just a closer shot of them right there. All right, hope you dug it, get some ideas. If not, hit like anyway, subscribe, because there's other videos in the way that will be dealing with tree houses and tiny houses. Thank you guys for your time. We'll see you around.